Ready to dive into the magic of Hallstatt, Austria? Wander through fairy tale streets, uncover the secrets of ancient salt mines, and discover hidden treasures like the tranquil Glacier garden and the breathtaking Waldbachstrub waterfall. You won't want to miss the insider tip we've got for you during the video. It'll add a special touch to your Hallstatt adventure. So hit that subscribe button and join us for more exciting travel guides and tips. Let's make your one day in Hallstatt absolutely epic. Best time to visit. The best time to visit Hallstatt is from late spring to early autumn, May to September, when the weather is warm and ideal for outdoor activities. During this period, the village is alive with vibrant colors and the lake is perfect for boating and swimming. Winter from December to February offers a magical snowy landscape, making it a great time for those who enjoy a winter wonderland. City airport tips. The nearest major airport to Hallstatt is Salzberg Airport, located about 1.5 hours away by car. From the airport, you can take a direct train to Hallstatt, which costs around $30 USD for a one-way trip. Plan to arrive at the airport with enough time to navigate through its bustling terminals and catch your train without stress. Where to stay in Hallstatt? To fully immerse yourself in Hallstatt's charm, stay in the historic Old Town. This area is filled with traditional guest houses offering a cozy and authentic experience with prices ranging from 100 to 200 USD per night. For those seeking luxury, the Hallstatt Hideaway is an excellent choice, featuring modern amenities and breathtaking lake views with rooms averaging 250 to 350 USD per night. How to get around Hallstatt. Getting around Hallstatt is a breeze thanks to its compact size and well-connected transport options. The most charming way to explore this picturesque village is on foot, as its narrow streets and scenic paths are perfect for leisurely strolls. For a unique perspective, consider renting a bike for about 20 USD per day. If you're staying outside the village, the regional bus service is efficient and affordable, with a day pass costing around 15 USD. Alternatively, the ferry service on Lake Hallstatt offers stunning views for about 8 USD for a round trip. Morning, Marktplatz, Hallstatt. Right in the heart of Hallstatt, you'll find Marktplatz, a charming square dominated by a beautiful fountain and a statue of the Holy Trinity. Surrounded by picturesque alpine buildings, it's a dream come true for photographers and Instagram enthusiasts alike. Take your time wandering around this quaint area. Pop into one of the cozy cafes to savor delicious Austrian pastries, a treat that'll cost you around 5 USD. Don't forget to browse through the delightful souvenir shops where you can pick up unique keepsakes to remember your visit. Depending on when you visit, Marktplatz transforms with the seasons. In the summer, the buildings are adorned with vibrant blooms and the square often hosts lively concerts and religious events. In the winter, it becomes a winter wonderland, hosting the enchanting Christmas market where you can enjoy festive treats and shop for holiday goodies. Insider tip. If you're visiting in the summer, try to catch one of the evening concerts in the marketplace. It's a magical experience to enjoy live music under the stars in such a picturesque setting. And if you're here during the Christmas season, bundle up and indulge in some warm Glühwein, mulled wine for about 4 USD. It's a festive way to stay cozy. Breakfast. For a delightful breakfast close to Marktplatz, head to Café Derbel. This cozy cafe offers a perfect start to your day with a traditional Austrian breakfast. Order their breakfast platter, which includes fresh bread, assorted pastries, cheese, cold cuts, and a boiled egg for around 12 USD. Pair your meal with a freshly brewed coffee for an additional 3 USD. The friendly atmosphere and delicious food at Café Derbel make it an ideal spot to fuel up before a day of exploring Hallstatt. Mid-morning, Evangelisches Pfarramt. While you're exploring Hallstatt on foot, you'll come across a couple of charming churches that add to the town's enchanting atmosphere. One of the standout landmarks is the Evangelisches Pfarramt, a beautiful relic from the late 18th century. This iconic church is a defining feature of Hallstatt's skyline and offers a lovely view of the lake from its tower. Insider tip. Climb up the tower for a small fee of around 5 USD to enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the lake and surrounding mountains. It's a perfect spot for some memorable photos. Michaelskapelle, Beinhaus, and Ossuary. Just north of the village, you'll find the charming Michaelskapelle Chapel and its serene cemetery. Inside the chapel, don't miss the HALLSTATT Ossuary, a fascinating collection of hundreds of human skulls and bones. Each skull is lovingly inscribed with the name of the deceased, their year of passing, and beautiful floral paintings, creating a touching tribute to those who've passed. If you want to explore the ossuary, the admission fee is only about $2. It's open to visitors from Wednesday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Insider tip: plan your visit mid-morning to avoid the busiest times and have a more peaceful experience. Don't forget to bring a camera, as the intricate details on the skulls and the serene atmosphere make for some truly unique photos. Classic postcard viewpoint. Every corner of Hallstatt is a photo opportunity waiting to happen, but there are a couple of official viewpoints you absolutely can't miss. Just a 2-minute walk north of the courtyard, you'll find a spot marked as Aussichtspunkt Hallstatt on Google Maps, also known as the Classic Viewpoint. From here, you'll capture stunning shots of the village nestled among the mountains, the perfect keepsake from your day in Hallstatt. Hallstatt Waterfall. You might be surprised to learn that there's a waterfall right in the heart of Hallstatt. While it may not compete with the towering falls of Bali or the Philippines, it comes pretty close and offers some fantastic photo opportunities. The trail to this hidden gem starts near Marktplatz and takes only about 20 minutes of pleasant walking to reach. Insider tip: wear comfortable shoes for the short hike and bring a water bottle. The path can be a bit slippery, especially after rain, so take your time and enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Early morning or late afternoon are the best times to visit for the best lighting and fewer crowds. Small Island. Just south of the village lies Small Island, a tiny gem floating a few meters off the lakeside. It's connected to the mainland by a charming little bridge. Once you cross over, you'll be treated to a stunning, unobstructed view of the village. It takes about 15 minutes to walk to Small Island from Marktplatz, making it a perfect first stop to kick off your day or a relaxing last stop of the morning on your Hallstatt adventure. Lunch. After exploring Small Island, head to Restaurant Am See for a delightful lunch. This charming lakeside eatery offers stunning views and a menu filled with local Austrian flavors. For a delicious meal, order the freshly caught trout served with roasted potatoes and seasonal vegetables, all for around $25. The fish is perfectly seasoned and cooked, providing a true taste of the region. Pair your meal with a local glass of white wine for an additional $8, making for a relaxing and enjoyable dining experience by the lake. Afternoon, Salzbergwerk, Hallstatt. For an exciting afternoon in Hallstatt, head to one of the town's most fascinating attractions, the salt mine. With a history spanning 7,000 years, this mine is one of the oldest in the world. Located high up in the mountains, you have a couple options to get there. First, you can take the Salzbergbahn funicular from the town center near the P2 parking lot. The ride takes just a few minutes and leaves you with a pleasant 10 to 15 minute walk to the mine entrance. The round-trip fare is about $24, while a one-way ticket is around $13. Alternatively, you can purchase a combo ticket for both the funicular and the salt mine tour, which costs about $44 per person. If you're feeling adventurous and want to save some money, you can hike up to the mine for free. The hike takes about 1 to 1.5 hours and is well marked, but it's pretty steep, so make sure you wear proper shoes and bring plenty of water. If you choose to hike and skip the funicular, the entrance to the salt mines costs around $30 per person. Keep in mind that you'll need extra time for hiking down as well, which takes about 45 to 60 minutes. The mine is accessible only via a guided tour, which includes around 2 kilometers, 1.2 miles of walking, and a ride on the mine train. Tours last around 70 to 80 minutes and depart every 30 minutes between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. Be sure to arrive 30 minutes before your tour starts. Remember to wear sturdy shoes and warm clothing, as the temperatures inside the mine averages 46 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll be given a protective jacket and trousers to wear over your clothes, so even in summer, it's best to wear jeans and a t-shirt rather than dresses or skirts. Alternatively, you can pack a change of clothes in your backpack for the tour. Insider tip: book your tickets online in advance to secure your preferred time slot, especially during peak tourist season. This will save you time and ensure you don't miss out on this amazing experience. Hallstatt Skywalk. After your thrilling mine tour, warm up at one of the most scenic spots on your Hallstatt adventure, the Hallstatt Skywalk. This incredible observation deck extends 350 meters, 1,148 feet above the village, offering breathtaking, uninterrupted views of the majestic mountain ranges surrounding Hallstatt. The best part, there's no entrance fee to visit the skywalk, so even if you skip the mine tour, it's definitely worth heading up to soak in the stunning vistas. Insider tip: visit the skywalk in the late afternoon for the most spectacular lighting and fewer crowds. Bring a jacket as it can get quite breezy up there, and don't forget your camera to capture those jaw-dropping views. Evening, hike to Waldbachstrub Waterfall or Glacier Garden. End your perfect day in Hallstatt with a leisurely hike, giving you a final opportunity to soak in the majestic natural beauty of this enchanting village. 2 fantastic hiking options await you in the Echern Valley: the Waldbachstrub Waterfall or the Glacier Garden. If you prefer not to move your car or arrived by other means, both hikes can conveniently start from Hallstatt Parking P2. From there, you have several routes to choose from. Take Echerntalweg, Kolstadtweg, then Malerweg, or cross the river and follow Malerweg until you reach Marktplatz Echerntal. For those short on time or wanting a shorter hike, you can also drive directly to Marktplatz Echerntal. Just past the parking lot, you'll encounter a fork in the road. The paved road on the left leads to Glacier Garden, Gletschergarten, a cluster of unique rocks, landforms, fairy pools, and streams formed during the last ice age. Follow the signs for Simonihütte and the Wiesberg House to explore this natural wonder, which takes about 30 minutes to reach from the parking lot. If you take the gravel road on the right, you'll head toward the Waldbachstrub waterfall. However, be aware that although the trail is signposted, none of the signs mention the waterfall's name, making it easy to get lost. At various forks in the trail, always take the right turn. To be completely transparent, we didn't find the waterfall during our hike. At the 3rd or 4th fork, we accidentally took the wrong turn and ended up going to the Glacier Garden instead. Had we taken the right turn and crossed the little stream, we would have found the waterfall within 15 minutes. Although we missed the waterfall, the Glacier Garden was stunning. If you specifically want to visit the Glacier Garden, taking the paved road from the parking lot is an easier route. Hiking to the Glacier Garden from Echerntal parking lot takes around 30 minutes, while reaching the Waldbachstrub waterfall takes approximately 40 to 45 minutes. Insider tip: unless you skip some earlier activities, you'll likely need to choose just one of these hikes. However, if you have more than one day in Hallstatt, I highly recommend experiencing both trails. And always carry a map or use a GPS app to avoid getting lost. Dinner at restaurant im Seehotel Grüner Baum. For a delightful dinner experience, head to the restaurant im Seehotel Grüner Baum, located right by the lake with stunning views and a charming ambiance. This restaurant is renowned for its delicious Austrian cuisine and friendly service. Treat yourself to their specialty dish, the Viennese Tafelspitz, which is tender, boiled beef served with traditional sides like creamy spinach, roasted potatoes, and apple horseradish. This hearty and flavorful meal costs around $35 USD. Pair your meal with a glass of fine Austrian wine for about $10 USD, and finish off with their decadent Apfelstrudel, a classic Austrian apple strudel served with vanilla ice cream for an additional $8 USD. The beautiful lakeside setting and delicious food make restaurant im Seehotel Grüner Baum the perfect place to unwind and reflect on your day in Hallstatt. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through Hallstatt. We hope you're feeling inspired to explore this enchanting village with its stunning landmarks and hidden gems. Remember to make the most of every moment, from the ancient salt mines to the serene Glacier Garden and the breathtaking Waldbachstrub waterfall. If you enjoyed this itinerary, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And for more travel adventures and insider tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Happy travels, and see you in our next destination.